My first assignment was in campus in Central Mindanao University Laboratory High School, teaching grade 12 students Calculus 3, a subject filled with limits, derivative, and integrals. It was intimidating, not just for the student, but for me as well. I reviewed the materials multiple times, but when I stood in front, everything feels different. The students were sharp and often skeptical. There were times I stumbled through explanations or felt overwhelmed by questions I didn't immediately have answers to. I questioned myself, was I really cut out for this? I spent many late nights revisiting textbooks, watching videos, and preparing interactive examples. Slowly, I began to understand that my role wasn't to be perfect. It was to be present, to be patient, and to be prepared. My second assignment was off campus in Quezon Bukidnon Comprehensive National High School, teaching grade 11 statistics, a, co- a completely different environment, fewer resources, varying levels of motivation, and students were less academically inclined but full of potential. I struggled at first to hold their attention, unlike calculus, where the challenges was the content. Here, the challenges was engagement. I had to rethink everything, my tone, my examples, even how I entered the room. So I asked about their interest and incorporated them into my lessons. Slowly, things started to shift. A student who hated math began to enjoy solving problems related to sports and statistics. Another who struggled with confidence began asking questions in front of the class. Every struggle I faced, whether it was complicated lesson or disinterested student, taught me something. It taught me to be more patient, more creative, and more human. I learned that teaching is not about knowing everything, it's about never giving up on learning. As my internship ended, I look back not just at the lessons I taught, but at the lessons I lived. I entered the classroom hoping to teach, but I walk away with such more. I found resilience, discovered purpose, and built connections that will stay with me forever. This wasn't just an internship, it was transformation. And for that, I always be grateful.